Hi students, how are you all? Students, today I am not going to teach a new lesson. Just I want to give a recall. Before going to see the book back exercise, let us see the recall section. In this lesson, we are going to see about internal organ. Student, what is internal organ? Internal organ enna? There are some body parts such as brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidney that are inside our body. We are unable to see them. These body parts are called internal organs. Students, internal organs அப்படினா நம்ம உடம்புக்குள்ள இருக்கிற பாடி பார்ட்ஸை நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, பார்க்க முடியாது. These body parts are called internal organs. Students, next one, brain. Brain is an important organ and is protected by skull. Brain is used for thinking, imagining and storing information. Human brain weighs about 1.36 kilogram. Jumping, reading, running, walking, singing, etc. are controlled by the brain. Students, next one, heart. Our heart is like a pump. It's made up of muscles which protected by rib cage. Heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper chambers of the heart are right atrium and left atrium. The lower chambers of the heart are right ventricle and left ventricle. Students, next one, stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organ below the lungs, which help in digestion of food with the help of gastric juices, giving us the energy needed for our body. Students, next one, lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy sac-like organs located in the chest. They help us to breathe. Last one, kidneys. The function of kidney is to excrete waste from the blood in the form of urine. Students, structure of kidneys. A pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Urethra என்றது சிறுநீர் புறவழி. இந்த சிறுநீர் புறவழியா தான் யூரின் வந்து என்ன பண்ணும், வெளியில போகும். In the kidney, the urine is formed. In the kidney, the urine is formed. Students, இந்த இடத்துல தான் நமக்கு யூரின் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். Per day, 1.5 to 2 liters of urine is formed. ஒரு நாளைக்கு 1.5 இருந்து 2 liters வரைக்கும் நமக்கு யூரின் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். The weight of the kidney around 120 to 170 grams. இந்த கிட்னியினுடைய வெயிட்ட பாத்தீங்கன்னா 120 இருந்து 170 grams வரைக்கும் இருக்கும். It's reddish brown color. It's reddish brown color. It's bean shaped. Bean shapedனா அவரை விதை வடிவத்துல இருக்கும். In the kidney, the urine is formed. இங்க ஃபார்ம் ஆகிற யூரின், the urine from the kidney reach the bladder. இங்க ஃபார்ம் ஆகிற யூரின் இந்த யுரேட்டர் வழியா இந்த பிளேடரை வந்து அடையும். The bladder is said to be the reservoir of urine. இந்த யூரினரி பிளேடர் வந்து ரிசர்வாயர். ரிசர்வாயர்னா சேமித்து வைக்கக்கூடிய இடம். இது வந்து யூரின் என்ன பண்ணும், தற்காலிகமாக தான் இங்க சேமித்து வைக்கும். இங்கே ஃபுல்லாக யூரின் நிரம்பிடுச்சுன்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக இந்த யுரேத்ரா என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய சிறுநீர் புறவழி வழியா யூரின் என்ன பண்ணிடும், வெளியில போயிடும். இட் இஸ் நாட் கண்ட்ரோல் பை யூ. சிறுநீரை என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, இங்க கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணி வைக்க முடியாது. ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அது என்ன பண்ணும், யுரேத்ரா வழியா வெளியில வந்துடும். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த கிட்னியை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கேப்சூல், கேப்சூல்னா பாதுகாப்பு உரை. 3 அடுக்கினால் ஆன பாதுகாப்பு உரை இங்க இருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லேயர், செகண்ட் லேயர், தேர்ட் லேயர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லேயருக்கு ரீனல் ஃபேசியா, செகண்ட் லேயருக்கு ஃபைபர்ஸ் கேப்சூல், தேர்ட் லேயருக்கு பெரிரீனல் ஃபேட் கேப்சூல், கொழுப்பினால் ஆன அடுக்கு. இந்த 3 லேயரும் தான் நம்மளுடைய கிட்னி என்ன பண்ணுது, பாதுகாக்குது. ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆஃப் த கிட்னி. The function of the kidney is to excrete waste from the blood in the form of urine. நம்ம உடம்புல இருக்கிற கெட்ட ரத்தத்தெல்லாம் யூரினா மாத்தி என்ன பண்ணோம், வெளியில அனுப்பிடும். Do you understand, students? Yes. Students, lesson number 1, my body, book back exercise. First one, let us recall page number 82. See the page number 82. Students, see the page number 82. There are some body parts hidden in the table below. There are some body parts hidden in the table below. Can you spot them? Yes. Answer is here, nose, ears, leg. Second one, fill in the blanks. Dash is an internal organ. Dash is an internal organ. Answer is brain. Second one, we can see the internal body parts. We can see the internal body parts. No. Answer is false. Third one, match the following. Pair of spongy sac. Pair of spongy sac. Answer is lungs. J-shaped bag, stomach. Filters excess water, kidney. Command center, brain. Pumps blood, heart. Students, next one, page number 89. See the page number 89. Tick the foods that are good for your teeth and cross the food that are bad for your teeth. Next one, try to answer. Is it good touch or bad touch? Why? A. Bad touch. Because bad touch is any touch that we don't want or makes us feel scared. B. Good touch. Because good touch is a touch that cares for us or makes us feel safe. Students, next one, page number 96. Look at the pictures and write good touch or bad touch. Students, see the book. First one, good touch. Second one, bad touch. Third one, good touch. Fourth one, good touch. Fifth one, bad touch. Sixth one, good touch. Seventh one, good touch. Last one, bad touch. Students, book back exercise. Roman 1. Pick out the odd one. First one, heart, legs, brain, kidney. Heart, legs, brain, kidney. Leg is the correct answer. Heart, brain, kidney. Internal organ. Leg, external organ. Second one, eyes, ears, fingers, lungs. Eyes, ears, fingers, lungs. Lungs is the correct answer. Eyes, ears, fingers. External organ. Lungs is the internal organ. Third one, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Nerves. Nerves is the correct answer. Roman 2. Complete the figure with the words given in the bracket. Complete the figure with the words given in the bracket. Grandparents' love. Good touch. Kissing on the mouth. Bad touch. Roman 3. Find the answer from the following clues and circle the words. Find the answers from the following clues and circle the words. 1. An internal organ. Heart. An internal organ, heart. Second one, organ that helps us to breathe. Lungs. Organ that helps us to breathe. Lungs. An organ removing waste from our body. An organ removing waste from our body. Kidneys. Unfair and unhealthy touch. Bad touch. Unfair and unhealthy touch. Bad touch. Fifth one, every day we should drink more water. Every day we should drink more water. See here, first one heart, second one answer lungs, third one answer kidney, fourth one answer bad touch, fifth one answer water. Roman 4, true or false? Head, hand and legs are internal organs. Head, hand and legs are internal organs. False. Heart is made up of muscles. Heart is made up of muscles. True. Third one, muscles are the soft parts that covered our bones. True. Muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. True. Brush your teeth once a day. Brush your teeth once a day. False. Father patting you on your head is a good touch. True. Father patting you on your head is a good touch. True. Choose the correct answer. First one, dash is the commanding center of our body. Dash is the commanding center of our body. Brain. Second one, food is converted to energy in the stomach. Food is converted to energy in the stomach. Third one, every day we should brush our teeth 2 times. Every day we should brush our teeth 2 times. Number 4, good touch is a fair and healthy touch. Good touch is a fair and healthy touch. Fifth one, drink a lot of water every day. Drink a lot of water every day. Students, study well and write once. Thank you.